There's one tiny fuck. I just pulled this little head of lettuce, lack thereof, out of my cup. There is one very hair-like root. It has started to like grow already, so I said I'm just gonna put it in dirt. So this is why I'm documenting my whole grow season. Today, I decided to bring my green bean outside, and it's a little cooler out. My room's significantly warmer, and I couldn't tell if my leaves were, wilting up because of, the temperature change or what. So I looked into it. Could have been over or under watering, so I watered it. Didn't make any difference, so I started digging into it. Literally, came to find out the soil was a little too compacted. The roots had basically gotten bound. So I pulled it out, reworked the soil, added a lot more perlite, and then put her back in. So it's gonna look sad for a day or so, but she should bounce back. Well, it's not wilted anymore, at least not this one. I do believe she's rebounded. Doesn't feel too wilted. This is coming along well. That's about it.